Discovered in 1930, Pluto is the second closest dwarf planet to the Sun and was at one point classified as the ninth planet. Pluto is the largest dwarf planet but only the second most massive, with Eris being the most massive. Hello guys, this is Secret Studio Creations and I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is gonna be about Pluto facts, so let's get right into the video. Number 1. Pluto is named after the Roman god of the underworld. This was proposed by Venetia Burney, an 11-year-old schoolgirl from Oxford, England. Number 2. Pluto was reclassified from a planet to a dwarf planet in 2006. This is when the YAO formalized the definition of a planet as a celestial body that, a. is in orbit around the Sun, b. has sufficient mass for its self-gravity to overcome rigid body forces so that it assumes a hydrostatic equilibrium nearly round shape, and c. has cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. Number 3. Pluto was discovered on February 18, 1930 by the Lowell Observatory. For the 76 years between Pluto being discovered and the time it was reclassified as a dwarf planet, it completed under a third of its orbit around the Sun. Number 4. Pluto has 5 known moons. The moons are Charon, discovered in 1978, Hydra and Nix, both discovered in 2005, Kerberos, originally P4, discovered 2011, and Styx, originally P5, discovered in 2012. Number 5. Pluto is the largest dwarf planet. At one point it was thought this could be Eris. Currently the most accurate measurements give Eris an average diameter of 2,326 kilometers with a margin of error of 12 kilometers, while Pluto's diameter is 2,372 kilometers with a 2 kilometers margin of error. Number 6. Pluto is 1/3 water. This is in the form of water ice, which is more than 3 times as much water as in all the Earth's oceans. The remaining 2/3 are rock. Pluto's surface is covered with ices, and has several mountain ranges, light and dark regions, and a scattering of craters. Number 7. Pluto is smaller than a number of moons. These are Ganymede, Titan, Callisto, Io, Europa, Triton, and the Earth's moon. Pluto has 66% of the diameter of the Earth's moon and 18% of its mass. While it is now confirmed that Pluto is the largest dwarf planet, for around 10 years it was thought that this was Eris. Number 8. Pluto has an eccentric and inclined orbit. This takes it between 4.4 and 7.3 billion km from the Sun, meaning Pluto is periodically closer to the Sun than Neptune. Number 9. Pluto has been visited by one spacecraft. The New Horizons spacecraft, which was launched in 2006, flew by Pluto on the 14th of July 2015 and took a series of images and other measurements. New Horizons is now on its way to the Kuiper Belt to explore even more distant objects. Number 10. Pluto's location was predicted by Percival Lowell in 1915. The prediction came from deviations he initially observed in 1905 in the orbits of Uranus and Neptune. Number 11. Pluto sometimes has an atmosphere. When Pluto's elliptical orbit takes it closer to the Sun, its surface ice thaws and forms a thin atmosphere primarily of nitrogen, which slowly escapes the planet. It also has a methane haze that hovers about 161 kilometers above the surface. The methane is dissociated by sunlight into hydrocarbons that fall to the surface and coat the ice with a dark covering. When Pluto travels away from the Sun, the atmosphere then freezes back to its solid state. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.